Hi guys, today we're making tomato egg fried rice, one of my favorite food to cook in a hot summer day. First, we need to crack 3 eggs in a bowl and add a pinch of salt, and we're gonna whisk the eggs. Okay, now let's process the tomatoes. We need to remove the stalk and dice it. Fresh tomatoes aren't the best. Use this cutting method, is very efficient, but be careful, don't cut your finger, okay? Okay, now let's process the garlic and scallions. We need to mince both of them. Okay, now we have all the ingredients we need, and let's get started. We need to heat up the pan and add cooking oil. Then you can add eggs in there. Just gently stir it in a circular motion, like this. Yep. Okay, now the eggs are done. Let's set aside. Now let's add some more cooking oil. Let's add the diced tomatoes. A high heat will wake up the aroma in the fresh tomatoes, and you just can't get that from a can or a ketchup. Now use the back of the spatula to press the juice out and kind of smash them, and with the high heat you will get a bunch of very thick and fresh mashed tomatoes. Now let's add up this minced garlic, and once the aroma and the garlic is out, let's add overnight rice. Make sure every single rice is covered by the fresh thick tomato paste. Nice. Okay, now we can add the scrambled eggs and make sure you mix them very well. Alright, like that, you're pretty good to go. And the last steps in the sauce, we will add a bunch of scallions, a pinch of white pepper powder, pinch of salt, and last, the 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Very simple sauce, but a perfect combo. Now we just have to gently mix them up, and they're ready to go. Aren't they look nice? It's perfect for a hot summer night. Yes! For the side dish, I really like to have some fresh Sichuan style pickles, and I'll put a link in the video. Thank you for watching guys, and see you next time.